Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be filming my my November monthly plan with me, and it's only October 12th right now, so I'm gonna plan everything that I know, and I might come back at the end with like a different manicure, blah blah blah, and add things if I find out some more stuff before the month begins. Otherwise, if this video ends and I'm like, bye, then nothing really changed. So I've done that a few times before. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I just know when I have like a sticky note of stuff kind of building up that I like to get my plans down and take care of it. So we're in my Erin Condren. I think it's really funny. There's a little turkey here on Thanksgiving, and this is the only holiday in this planner that has one of those. But in my deluxe monthly planner, every holiday has a little icon next to it. So I think it's so funny that this one only has one on Thanksgiving. Anyways, we're using a kit from Scribble Prince Co. I'm sorry for the glare. There are flags, like the top bars, and then my birthday, Thanksgiving, Election Day, Black Friday, Veterans Day, Cyber Monday, Daylight Savings, blank, and then an asterisk and a dot. I did get this kit from Tamara because she accidentally bought 2 November monthly kits, so I bought this from her. I've never tried out a Scribble Prince Co. monthly before, so I'm excited. And then there's 2 movie marquees, the date numbers, labels, and then washi, and these are 4 boxes at the bottom here. These are also 4 boxes. We have some labels of different sizes. Deco, which is really fun. I love that there's deco. Sidebar boxes, and then icons in all the different colors and little flags with little sayings in all the different colors. And then tons of boxes, dues, payday, birthdays, goals, payday, next month purchases, payday to-do bills, payday work bills. So you have some labels, and then there's like little washi strips down at the bottom. So I'm going to start with these. Ooh. Oh, and then you get, whoopsies. You get 2 little bows and 2 bow paper clips in matching colors, which is really cute. So, like I said, I'm going to start, actually maybe I'll start with boxes that are not in the month. Let's see, we have 4 up there and then 1 down here. I think I'll probably keep it cohesive up at that top section and put all 4 of the bows, because that way it'll kind of look like washi, and then maybe I'll put one of these in the bottom here. I prefer this, this pattern to the other patterns, so I'm going to use this one down here. I'm already getting nail polish on my planner, so hopefully I don't get it on my stickers. I will be sad. Okay. This planner is so chunky right now. So I'm just going to work this way and put in these boxes, and then I'll layer the top bar above this. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully I'm going straight. I don't think I am going straight. It's not so bad. This one's getting a little low. Okay, and then we have this top section. Oopsies, I bent that flag. Where we have Wednesday, Sunday through Wednesday. Cute. Love that. I should have maybe... Oh no, actually there's blue in that box, so I think I'm just gonna not even worry about that tiny little bit that's showing. And then this side, can you see that line? I penciled that in. I took a ruler and lined it up here to give me a guideline. And that's what I typically do if I don't have boxes to put underneath here, so that I can try to be straight. I have undo now, but I never used to, so there's that. Okay, then we have sidebar stuff. And, whoa, I thought that was not all one sticker. So I wasn't prepared. Okay. Oh gosh. I almost covered that box at the bottom. All right, well that was fast. Let's see. I have 2 for bills, and there are 2 bill headers in here, and the only thing I don't know is, do they go outside the box? They look like they go outside and all the way across. Yeah, I just never know. Sometimes they go inside. Okay, so we have bills, and then I do a goals. We have payday, purchases. I think I'll do purchases. Yeah, I'll do purchases here, and then I'll do goals on the bottom one. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I think, is put in my fall, like my Thanksgiving vacation. I just don't know if I want to use like a washi strip. I guess I really can't because, well, no, yeah, I can't because this isn't long enough, and I don't like using 2 different ones. So let's pick out a Simply Gilded washi. Do I go with light or do I go with dark? Like I could do the cranberry with rose gold. It kind of looks like this bottom box, but then it'll be right on top of that bottom box. Is that weird? I don't think so. Okay, so there is my Thanksgiving break marked, and what was I going to do? Oh, here it is. This one has all the like holidays and all of that kind of stuff. So Thanksgiving is here. And then we have Black Friday. Oops. And then we have Cyber Monday. We have Veterans Day, Daylight Savings. Those are over here. This whole like dark in the morning is killing me. I am having such a hard time waking up. And I'm like, I'm never going to make it until November 4th. It's so hard. And then we have Election Day on the 6th. If you live in the US, make sure you're registered to vote and that you vote. Okay, I don't have a birthday. And then there's another blank flag in here. Let's see. My friend's birthday is on the 21st, so I'm going to use some sort of box for that. Maybe just a label in green. And let's see what kind of birthday. Oh, there's little birthday things here. Maybe I'll layer. So I'll just put like a little birthday flag layered inside the box, and then I can write Tina because it's my friend Tina's birthday. On the 14th, I will send home progress reports. So I think I'll take a label for that. I should maybe put my bill dues first. Maybe. Let's see, we have do, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bill due little flags. So maybe I'll grab those first. 1 in each color, and then actually maybe I'll put most of these on the first because I have all sorts of bills due that day. So I have rent, and then, is that going to be weird? Should I just stack them? I have rent, a credit card, another credit card, and my student loans all come out on the first. So I'll just put those in there, and then we'll use the rest of these. I'm just going to grab 1 of each color to start with so I can mess around. I have a car payment on the 2nd. I have car insurance on the 15th. Let's see. Simply Gilded is the 17th. My phone is the 28th. Simply Gilded is the 11th. What else? I have Pilates the 18th, but I'm trying to get it scheduled for a different day, so I'm actually not going to mark that one. But is that it? Simply Gilded, Glam Planner, car insurance, phone. Okay, maybe that's it for now. So let me put these ones back. And then there's this payday, and there's also little payday flags. I think I'm going to use the little flag because I already have that like orange color down here. So I think I'm going to take the green one. Is there a green one? Yeah. So this says payday. And we're just going to pop that up here. I get paid the last day of the month. I don't really mark these other things. I can use the date night ones, but I don't plan my date nights a month in advance. So, oh, there's a motorcycle. We're not going to worry about that. Okay. I feel like I should put like the pie or the turkey or something on Thanksgiving. But maybe I'll put a box first in case I have plans. I mean, hopefully I have plans because it's a holiday. But yeah, so I'm just going to put a box here. And then I'm going to put the turkey. Shoot. Okay. Can you guys see? Isn't that cute? And then I can write what we did or what I did. All right, what else do I need to mark? I have a board meeting on the 12th, so that's here. I have these really pretty labels through here, so I think I'm going to take one of these. And we haven't been having to go to the board meetings, but I still mark them because in case I do have to go, like I'm prepared for it. And then like I said, I send progress reports home on the 14th, and I think I might use a flag for that, or no, maybe a bigger box because it is a little bit more writing. I think I'll use this color. These are such different colors for a Thanksgiving kit. Did you guys even see what I did here? I don't know if I was in focus because I forgot I zoomed in. So this is sending progress reports home. So let me see if there's any sort of icon for that. I don't want to put a home icon because it's not my home. I'll put a little alarm clock for the board meeting. because that's a typical like meeting symbol for me. I don't really see anything I want to use, so I think we'll leave that. And then I'm going to, oh, I have a paper clip. I can do that. That'd be cute. Perfect. That's adorable. Okay, and then we have the break marked. Progress reports. Okay, let me go look at my other stuff and I will be right back to see if I need to add anything else. Okay, I am back. I put the date numbers on and I think that's all I did off camera. This is looking super, super pretty. There are so many stickers in this kit. Like, I don't even know what to do with myself. So there are all of these labels and things left. I have flags in a little box. I have movie marquees, washi, and labels. And then there's still like hearts and money signs through here. So many icons and little flag stickers. And then I have more boxes, deco, and the bows. So this is pretty insane how many stickers you get. I'm always asking for more boxes, but like, holy moly, there's so many. I'm not going to put deco in yet because I feel like I'm going to have to add more to this spread that I just don't know about yet, because I don't know if my boyfriend's traveling at all. I don't know if we're traveling together at all. I don't know what my Thanksgiving plans are. I don't know what my Pilates plans are, because I don't know which day I'm going to get billed. I'd like to change my bill to the 1st or the 2nd. So we're working on trying to do that. But otherwise, like, I don't know. I can't schedule until my bill is charged, so I don't know when I'm going to Pilates, but I'll use a lot of those boxes and things. And then once I know that kind of stuff, I can put in deco a little bit better. I just figured I wouldn't have anything else on Thanksgiving, so I put that in there. But yeah, there's so many stickers, but this is so pretty. So if you don't see me again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving if you are not Canadian, because Canadian Thanksgiving was last month. And if you know, whatever. Just have a great November. I hope you guys are having a great day today, and thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Otherwise, if you see me again, then I have updates for you. That's just how this is going to work. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys use for your November kit, and then let me know what's going on for your December kit, because I haven't picked one out yet. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.